Your exam is 7 days away. You have hundreds of pages to study. Your notes are everywhere. You don't know what to revise first. And somehow, you keep telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow. Then, suddenly, it's the night before the exam. But what if AI could turn all of this into a study system? The first mistake students make is asking AI, how do I study for my exam? Instead, give AI the information it actually needs: your syllabus, your exam date, your available study hours, and, if possible, the exam format. For example, tell AI you're preparing for biology. You have 7 days and 3 hours per day. Now you have a realistic starting point. But don't study every topic equally. First, find your weak areas. Think of them as green, yellow, and red. Green means, I understand this. Yellow means, I partly understand it. Red means, I barely understand it. Then ask AI to create a diagnostic quiz. Take the quiz without looking at your notes. Then check your results. Now you know exactly where to focus. Now let's tackle the difficult topics. This is where AI becomes incredibly useful. Imagine you don't understand electromagnetic induction. Don't just ask, explain electromagnetic induction. Ask AI to explain it like you're a beginner. Then ask for a real-world example. Then ask for an analogy. Then ask AI to explain it at a higher level. Finally, ask it to quiz you. Now you're not just reading, you're explaining, answering, and practicing. That is how AI becomes a tutor. Next, take your lecture notes or permitted study materials. Upload them into your AI study workspace. Ask AI to identify the important concepts, definitions, formulas, examples, and key ideas. You can also ask which concepts need deeper understanding, or ask AI to connect to different topics. But here's something important. AI can make mistakes. Check important information against reliable sources. AI should organize your learning, not replace it. Now comes one of the most important steps. Don't just read your notes again and again. Test yourself. Ask AI to create 20 exam-style questions. Tell it not to show the answers. Answer one question at a time. Then check your response. Ask AI to explain your mistake. Then try again. Once you're comfortable, increase the difficulty.
Now you're training your brain, not just reading information. Next, turn important information into flashcards. Ask AI to create them from your notes. Focus on definitions, formulas, dates, vocabulary, and important concepts. But don't create hundreds just because you can. Focus on what you actually need to remember. And repeat the ones you get wrong. That's where your revision time should go. Now comes the part many students skip. Practice under realistic exam conditions. Take past papers or practice questions you're allowed to use. Try solving them yourself first. No AI, no notes, no hints. Set a timer. Finish the test. Then bring your mistakes to AI. Ask it to identify where your reasoning went wrong. Don't simply ask for the correct answer. Ask AI to explain the mistake. That's how mistakes become lessons. Here's another powerful technique. Ask AI to become your examiner. Give it your syllabus. Tell it to ask questions one at a time. Don't let it help you unless you ask. Answer out loud if you're preparing for an oral exam. Then ask AI to grade your response. Show what you missed. Now the real exam feels less unfamiliar. Now it's the night before the exam. This is where many students make a terrible decision. They try to learn everything. Don't. Ask AI to create a final revision checklist. Prioritize the things you struggled with. Review important formulas, definitions, and concepts. But don't turn the night into an all-nighter. Your brain needs rest. Exam morning, don't start learning an entirely new chapter.
Review your short notes. Use active recall instead of rereading everything. Ask AI to test the facts you keep forgetting. Review the formulas that matter most. Then check the definitions you confuse. Finally, connect each concept to one example. Give yourself one short, timed warm-up. Stop when the timer ends and review the mistake. Do not turn one mistake into a panic spiral. Take a breath, close the laptop, and sleep. A rested brain performs better than an exhausted one. On exam morning, review only your compact checklist. Do not open a completely new chapter. Read the exam instructions carefully. Scan the paper before answering. Start with the questions you can answer confidently. Flag the difficult ones and return later. Use your time deliberately. If you are unsure, eliminate the answers that cannot be right. Explain your reasoning before you choose. Leave a few minutes to check your work. Submit calmly, then record what you learned for next time. AI does not replace studying. It makes your studying more focused.